Bonjour les étudiants of class 9, hope you're doing good. So the last class we were doing the exercise of lesson 3, right? Je cherche une correspondante. So today we'll be continuing with the exercises. Today we'll normally finish all the exercises of lesson 3. Okay, as I told you, it's one big lesson. So the last 3 exercises we'll do it today. So it's really simple. We just got to answer the questions, and the last exercise it's to find the odd one. Okay, you got to find the odd one out. So that's it. Okay, so it will be a small session. So hope you take notes. Hope you finish the classwork. The next class we'll do the translation of the dialogues. Then we'll see if we could do a composition for lesson 3. Yeah, okay, so let's get into the slides. And here we are. So the 14th exercise. So 14, 15 and 16, that's it. We are done with this lesson. So if you have omitted any exercises, just leave it. Okay, if you have omitted any exercises, I mean in the video, okay, just leave it. These are the exercises we'll be having in the syllabus, we'll be having in the portion. Okay, so the other exercises that's not covered in the video, you can just leave it. And I've given some homeworks. I think those exercises will be included for the exam. For example, the 11th exercise I gave you as a homework, and so some of you have shared the answers. Thank you. So I forgot to share it in the group, and so the others try to find the answers for the 11th exercise. So here we go. The 14th exercise. Répondez à la question comme dans l'exemple. So answer the question like in the example. So the yellow one is the example. Okay, vous ingénieur. Okay, so that's what will be given. Okay, a subject will be given. Okay, vous, a subject is given, and then ingénieur, in profession. Okay, a profession is given. You got to frame a question. Okay, you got to frame a question and you got to answer that question. Okay, so you got 2 things. You got to frame a question and you got to give an answer. Okay, so you can see the ones which are in blue. There is a subject and then a profession. A subject, profession, subject, profession. So normally if there is a profession, like you can go with the verb faire. That's what they have given an example. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Okay, je suis ingénieur. Because in the subject it is given as vous. Okay, the subject given is vous, so you got to ask the question with vous. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Okay, je suis ingénieur. Okay, if the question is in second person, the answer will be in first person, right? So so now we'll go for the exercise A. Elle secrétaire. The subject which is given, it's elle, and then the profession, it's secrétaire. So the question, how will you ask with elle? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? So don't forget elle, it starts with a vowel. So you got to use QU apostrophe. Qu'est-ce qu'elle? Okay, qu'est-ce qu'elle, QU apostrophe ELLE. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? FAIT. The conjugation of the verb faire in present tense, third person singular. It's FAIT. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Question mark. So now you got to say she is a secretary. Okay, she is a secretary. Elle est secrétaire. Elle est secrétaire. Okay, so she is a secretary. Voilà. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Elle est secrétaire. The first one is over. You got to write in 2 lines. Okay, you got to write in 2 lines. What is she doing? Okay, she is a secretary. Okay, so the second one now. Il, the subject given, it's il. Médecin, the profession, it's médecin. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? What he's doing? Okay, again we got a vowel, so we'll be using qu'est-ce qu'il, QU apostrophe IL. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? The conjugation of verb faire will be the same, FAIT. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? The answer, il est médecin. What is he doing? He is a doctor. Médecin means a doctor. So third one, the subject, it's vous, profession, it's avocat, advocate. Okay, so now we can copy it from the example. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Because we got the same subject, vous. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? So now the answer should be in first person. Je suis avocat. Je suis avocat. Right? Okay, qu'est-ce que vous faites? Je suis avocat. I'm an advocate. So the D1, same way, il subject, the subject il is given, same way like the B. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? For the second and the fourth one, we'll be having the same question. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il est pilote. Il est pilote. He is a pilot. Okay, he is a pilot. So the last one, vous, subject vous, sportif. Okay, sportif, which means a sportive person or an athlete. Oui, sports person or an athlete. Okay, so qu'est-ce que vous faites? Same way like the example, or the third one, the last one. Okay, all these got qu'est-ce que vous faites? And the answer will be je suis sportif. Okay, je suis sportif. I am an athlete. I am a sports person. So now we'll see the answers here. So I just made it in one line. Okay, when you're writing in your classwork, so try to write in 2 lines, it will be neat. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Elle est secrétaire. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il est médecin. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Je suis avocat. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il est pilote. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Je suis sportif. C'est bon? We'll continue with the next exercise now. Here. 15th exercise. Répondez d'abord à l'affirmatif et puis au négatif. So answer first in affirmation and then in negation. D'abord, which means first. Okay, so answer first in affirmation, then in negation. So even this exercise, it's really simple. Okay, I thought of giving you as homework, but still some are lazy. Yeah, so we'll do it. Vous êtes journaliste? So you can see all these questions are like yes or no type. Okay, yes or no type. So it's better you start with yes and then the second sentence with no. Okay, vous êtes journaliste? Are you a journalist? Yes, I am a journalist. No, I am not a journalist. That's how we got to make the sentence. Okay, that's how we got to answer with yes now and then with no. Vous êtes journaliste? Oui, je suis journaliste. Then in the second line, we'll be writing no, je ne suis pas journaliste. Vous êtes journaliste? Oui, je suis journaliste. No, je ne suis pas journaliste. We got right in affirmation as well as in negation. Right? Both affirmation and negation. So write it neatly. The second one, c'est un photographe. C'est un photographe. Is he a photographer? Okay, is he a photographer? Oui, c'est un photographe. Oui, c'est un photographe. Non, ce n'est pas un photographe. Non, ce n'est pas un photographe. Okay, yes, he is a photographer. No, he is not a photographer. Okay, so when in negation, so keep in mind, we don't change un to the. Okay, we don't change un to the in this case. So why? Because the verb être is conjugated here. With the verb être, we don't follow that rule. Okay, so with the verb être, we'll just leave un as un. C'est un photographe? Oui, c'est un photographe. Non, ce n'est pas un photographe. Ce n'est pas un photographe. C space N apostrophe EST space pas PAS then UN photograph. Third one, elle est jeune. She is young. Yes, she is young. No, she is not young. Elle est jeune. Oui, elle est jeune. Non, elle n'est pas jeune. Oui, elle est jeune. Non, elle n'est pas jeune. N apostrophe. The last before one. Vous vous appelez Bernard. So your name is Bernard. Yes, my name is Bernard. No, my name is not Bernard. So vous vous appelez Bernard. Oui, je m'appelle Bernard. Non, je ne m'appelle pas Bernard. Vous vous appelez Bernard? Oui, je m'appelle Bernard. Careful with the spelling of appel. it comes with double L, double P, double L. Oui, je m'appelle Bernard. Non, je ne m'appelle pas Bernard. So ne comes before the pronoun me. Okay, before M apostrophe, we'll be using ne. Je ne m'appelle pas Bernard. Tu fais les exercices. Tu fais les exercices. You are doing the exercises. Yes, I'm doing the exercises. No, I'm not doing the exercises. Oui, je fais les exercices. Non, je ne fais pas les exercices. Okay, oui, je fais les exercices. Non, je ne fais pas les exercices. Here, the answers. Oui, je suis journaliste. Non, je ne suis pas journaliste. Oui, c'est un photographe. Non, ce n'est pas un photographe. Oui, elle est jeune. Non, elle n'est pas jeune. Oui, je m'appelle Bernard. Non, je ne m'appelle pas Bernard. Oui, je fais les exercices. Non, je ne fais pas les exercices. So, hope it's fine. Okay, so now we'll move to the 16th exercise, the last exercise of this lesson. Okay, so then we'll stop. The 16th exercise, chasser l'intrus. Okay, so chasser, it means hunt the odd one, intruder, hunt the intruder. So I've given the answer directly. Okay, so école, étudiant, professeur, voiture. So voiture is the odd one. Okay, because école, étudiant, professeur are related to school. Okay, something related to the education, and voiture, it's a transport, automobile. So second one, français, portugais, espagnol, allemand. Français, portugais, espagnol, allemand. So why is portugais odd? Because it is in feminine form. All the other nationalities or the language are in masculine. Just Portuguese, it's in feminine. So Portuguese is the odd one. So the third one, stylo, crayon, chaise, cahier. Stylo, crayon, chaise, cahier. So stylo, it's a pen, crayon, it's a pencil, chaise means a chair, and cahier means a notebook. So chaise, it's the odd one, because chaise, it's the furniture. The other ones are stationary items. Liège, New Delhi, Paris, Roma. So here there is a small confusion. Maybe Roma is the odd one because it's not given in French. Okay, because it's not given in French. Roma is given in some other language. It's normally Rome. It's Rome. Normally it's given in Latin or some other language. If it's with E, okay, R-O-M-E. Okay, if it's given instead of A, if it's given E, then Rome won't be the odd one. Liège will be the odd one. Okay, because New Delhi, Paris, and Rome, they are capitals. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India, Paris is the capital of France, and Rome is the capital of Italy. Okay, whereas Liège, it's not the capital of Belgium. Okay, it is located in Belgium, but Brussels, it's the capital of Belgium. Liège is not. So if in case, okay, Rome, it's given in right spelling, R-O-M-E, then it won't be the odd one. Liège will be the odd one. Okay, because it's a normal city. And so here for now, Roma, it's in some other language, so we hunt it. So the last one, Céline, Paul, Nathalie, Amandine. So Paul is the odd one because all the others are feminine nouns. Okay, feminine names, and Paul, it's a masculine name, like Paul Phoenix. Céline, Paul, Nathalie, Amandine. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So I hope you're doing your classwork, and also we may meet soon in school. Okay, so be prepared and take care, be safe. Ciao.